Yes, last class we have gone with properties of multiplication. No? So now let us discuss exercise 1b. So first question, evaluate 23 into minus 16, where we can write this as simple calculation 23 into minus 10 minus 6, where we need to multiply in such a way to get the easiest multiplication. 23 into minus 10 minus 23 into 6. Plus 23 to minus 6, we can go in such a way. So this is minus 230 minus 23 into 6, 6 is 18, 138, 138. Which is nothing but minus 368. So next coming to the second bit. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. Here we have 15 into minus 10. So plus into minus. What is plus into minus? Give the minus value. 15 into 10 is 150. So what is first answer? Minus 150. Minus 20 into 12. What is 20 into 12? It is 240. We know that. But symbol here, minus into plus, which is minus. So minus 240 is the answer. Next one, 3 into minus 12. We have plus into minus again. So which gives the result as minus. 3 12 ja 36. Fine. Minus 36 is the answer. Fourth one we have minus 7 into minus 9. Which is gives the result as minus into minus is plus. What is 7 9 ja 63. So it is plus 63. Next one, E bit. Minus 90 into minus 5. So again same, minus into minus gives the result. So symbol is plus. 9 5 ja it is 45. So 450. The answer is 90 into 5 is 450. So plus 450. Third one. Find the product of the following using suitable properties. Let us see the first question. 14 into minus 52 plus minus 52 into minus 24. Here we have symbol number here minus 52. We are going to take it as common. Both the sides we have. So we are going to take it as common. In the first term what we have 14. And in the second term what we have the other term plus of minus 24. So is equal to minus 52 into 14 minus 24. What is plus into minus? Which gives the result as minus. So is equal to minus 52 into minus 10. Which gives the result. What is 52 into 10? It is 520. What is minus into minus? Which is plus. So 520 is the answer. Yes. Next coming to application based questions. Neeta starts with the number 27 and keeps subtracting from it. Now find the integer she will arrive at if she carries out the subtraction 6 times. So she starts the number from 27. So she starts subtracting 6 from 27. So how many times she has subtracted? 6 times. So what is the final integer she will arrive? So first of all the number is what? 27 minus 6 is which is 21. This is the first time she started subtracting. First time she starts subtracting 6 from 27, which gives us 21. First time. So total how many times? Second time. 21 minus 6 is equal to which gives the result as 15. Now third time. 15 minus gives the result as 9. Fourth time. 9 minus 6 gives the result as 3. Fifth time. 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Sixth time. Minus 3 minus 6, which gives the result minus 9. So what is the integer she will arrive at if she carries 6, subtracting 6 times is nothing but minus 9. This is the final answer. Next, in the chemistry lab, the room temperature is required to be lowered from 80 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature after 10 hours? So here the initial temperature is, what is the initial temperature? Room temperature after 10 hours, where temperature to be lowered is lowered. Where temperature is lowered is 5 degrees centigrade every hour. So 80 degrees minus 10 into 5. So every hour it is 80 minus 50 is equal to 30 degrees Celsius, which is nothing but the room temperature will be 30 degrees Celsius finally. Next, a restaurant owner earns a profit of rupees 7 on each meal. If in one day 200 people visit the restaurant, what will be the profit earned by the owner? Third one. Profit earns by restaurant owner on each meal is equal to rupees 7. People visited in one day is equal to 200 is equal to 200 meals. Profit earned by the owner is equal to 200 into 7 is equal to rupees 1400. So here we can say that profit earned by restaurant on each meal is what? Rupees 7. Here people visited in one day is equal to what? 200. So it is equal to nothing but 200 meals. 200 meals. So in the same way, profit earned by owner is nothing but the 200 into 7, which comes under 1400 rupees he is going to earn per day. Next, in a class test, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and 2 marks are deducted for every wrong answer. If James got 8 correct answers and 3 wrong answers, what are his final marks? Marks awarded for every correct answer is equal to 5. Marks deducted for every wrong answer is equal to 2. Here James got 8 correct answers. Marks awarded is equal to 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Whereas James got 3 wrong answers. Three into 2, which is equal to 6. So subtract. Therefore, his final score is equal to 40 minus 6, which is equal to 34 marks. Here, actually, marks awarded for every correct answer is equal to 5. The same way marks deducted for every wrong answer is equal to 2. Here, actually, in the question he has given James got 8 correct answers and marks awarded for him is equal to 8 into 5 is equal to 40 marks. James got 3 wrong answers, that is nothing but we have deducted 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Therefore, his final score equal to marks awarded minus marks deducted, which is nothing but 34 marks.